Hello guys, my name is Developer and today I'm going to show you how you can reverse a tree map in Java. Okay, so let's create a new tree map here with keys of integers and values of strings, which would be equal to new tree map. So, tree map it holds key value pairs, and it has actually a couple of different constructors. So the default one, it's gonna just maintain the order of natural order of keys. You can also specify the comparator object, which would actually define the order of keys in tree map. And also you could just pass existing map to constructor, which would actually take those key value pairs and pass them to new created tree map, so it would contain the elements which you had in previously in other map, like a hash map or something. So what you want to do, let's actually just put some values into our tree map. Let's say 22 Bob. Let's put on 1 Alice, and let's put on 99 and make Tim. So let's just iterate through the map and data key in treemap.keyset, and let's actually see what it's gonna print. So order is maintained by the natural order of keys, and to reverse the map, what you can do is not using a key set but descending key set. What tree map? Oh, we want to actually declare it as a tree map, not map. Descending key set, and now what it's going to do, it's going to reverse the order of keys, and that's how you can retrieve elements in reversed order. But if you wanted to create a new map of your tree map, which would contain objects in reverse order, what you can do is, let's create a new tree map, which would be integer and string. Let's call it map or reverse map. And new tree map. And what you can do is you can actually pass, if your map is a tree map, you can actually pass a ascending map of your tree map to the constructor, and it's gonna create map in reverse order to what you have in a tree map. So let's see how it works, but we don't want a descending key set this time, we want a key set. Let's see. Yeah, so the result is the same basically, but with this difference, you've got another map object. So if your map is actually ordered by the natural order, what you can also do is pass to the constructor collections dot reverse order, and then let's say we want all the elements from the tree map. So what you would do is reverse map dot put all, and just pass the tree map we've created at line 8. So what's that gonna do? What's that gonna do? It's just maintain the reverse to natural order of the keys, and then we just put these elements to the map. Or if you add like let's say reverse map dot put, and let's make it 2 and a string of, I don't know, Jake. Then we've got all the values in reverse order. Anyways, you could actually apply 2 first solutions to a map with a custom comparator. So let's look how it works. So let's say we want to create a comparator of let's say string comparator, and let's make it so it actually orders the keys by the last letter of the string passed as a key. So let's see how it works. Well, let's say string dot s1 last equals the string dot value of r1 dot char at r1 minus 1. And let's do the same with second one. 2 and o2, and let's return s1 last dot compare to s2 last. And if we actually just change it a little bit here, so it would be, let's say it would be Bob as a key, Alice as a key, and Tim. So the order should be, let's actually not add this like that, but let's add Bob last and Alice in the middle. Let's say 11, whatever. It's actually whatever, doesn't matter. 33. Let's comment this out. Let's comment this out, and let's say we want to make a tree map here, and it wouldn't be integer, it would be string. No, it's not correct. Should be actually Bob, Alice, and then Tim. Now Alice is third, so let's correct it. Yep, that's how it should be. So Bob is first, Alice second, and Tim is third. And now if you want to reverse it, all you need to do is actually pass descending key set here, and it's reversed. So you could also do a new map, pass to the constructor TreeMap dot descending map, and that would also work as well. So that's all I have for you today. That's basically how you can reverse your tree map, and see you on the next one.